Okay, hi, I'm Kevin from General Touch. This is our stand at the ISE show, and basically we are manufacturer of touch screen, touch monitors, and touch computers. And our company has been in the field of touch solutions for over 17 years. And this year we have brought some demos, including the touch monitors and also all-in-one touch computers. And this one is our new released touch display this year. Basically, it's an interactive whiteboard, and also it's conferencing system for the meeting hall. It's a very good product for the education system and also for the conferencing systems. So I think in the market, more and more customers will like this product. So hope our product can bring more benefits to customers who can enjoy some benefits from the product. Thank you. Our website is www.generaltouch.com. So you can check more information from the website. Thank you.